Welcome to CSS for Everybody with your coding teacher, Kalob Taulien. This course is made up of 3 mini courses that include CSS 101, CSS 201, and CSS 301. In CSS 101, we're going to get started with making an HTML website look a little more modern using CSS. Absolutely no experience is required for this module. Together we'll start at the very beginning and go all the way through all the basics so you don't miss anything whatsoever. In CSS 201, we'll dive into intermediate CSS and work with things like animations, transitions, flexbox, and CSS grid. This will give us all the skills we need to start making websites responsive so they look good on desktops, laptops, tablets, phones, and even TVs. In CSS 301, we're focused completely on responsive web design. That's how we make a website look good on every single device. There are big projects at the end of all 3 modules, and in between several lessons are tasks for you to get hands-on experience. Now, to get the most out of this course, you'll need to know basic HTML, and you'll likely want to pause the videos every now and then to code along with me. Hi, I'm Kalob Taulien. I've been teaching web development for over 8 years now, and have been coding websites for over 20 years. I've worked with organizations such as NASA, the NHS, and Mozilla, and today I'm going to be teaching you CSS. Welcome to CSS for Everybody, and I'll see you inside.